Hi everyone. In the last video we learned how to create resource group manually from the website itself. I mean with this interactive way. So here's so for instance you can search. Sometimes it's not found here. You can see it here. You cannot see this resource group here. You can find it from here. Resource groups. Yeah, and this one is created manually. Then today I will show you how to create resource group via CLI version 2. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to log in this website because I'm already logged in, but I will just show you how to do it. Log in, easy login. Open the terminal in any directory, and create. Type easy login, then continue. My email. Gmail.com. Wrong written. Now you can see here this is retrieving my subscriptions, and I will select the default one, the default settings. So now I can access CLI. So there's a command here. It's create, which is to create a resource group. You can choose type this easy group create, and if you're not aware of the parameters, you can see you can write help and show you what are the required and non-required parameters. And you can see here this location is needed, is required. Also the name of the resource group is needed. And the last one, yeah, this only the required one, the required two. Okay, so and the other one is the other parameters are optional. Okay, then let's clear this. And as you can see here, create, then the name of the group CLI. I will call this CLI 01. I will see if there's new 01 CLI. This is all the last one. So I will try to call this CLI. Then the location is USA. By the way, this resource group is considered as house, and this house or home contains rooms, sleeping rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and everything. This is, let's see, a encapsulation of the all resources. I will try to now to create this. Okay, it's already created very fast, and you can see here this is the name. Let's have a look here. Make a refresh. Right, I have it. I have it here, and you can see it's here. Resource group CLI 01. Okay, this is the one here. And now there are some other commands if you would like to try. I will attach this as well for you to have a look in this one. And here you can see this command is to have to list, oops, to list all the resource groups in your subscription, because currently I have only one subscription. If I call this code easy group list, it should list it in a JSON file. Yes, JSON file. And you can see this is the last one. This is one name and etc. This is how to list all your resource groups. And the other commands here, you can have a look on this. Yeah, sometimes you need also to delete resource group. For instance, let us delete the group that we created. Was the name resource group CLI 01. Let me check. Resource group CLI 01. And you can see it now. It's here. Now if I press delete, this command, it should be deleted. I would like to perform these operations. Yes. Yeah. Why this is giving you this let's see, warning? Because sometimes this resource group is already, as I said, it's a container, let's say, and sometimes it contains workspaces, pipelines, and data sets. And if you delete this, it means it'll delete all the resources in this resource group. And let's have a look. Now this one here should be deleted. If I refresh, yeah, you see it's already deleted. Resource group CLI 01. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.